Hi, in this tutorial video, I'm gonna show you how you can edit the PowerPoint picture after you recording. So in here, I have OBS and PowerPoint open. First, you have to set up OBS. That's for recording only. Use 1920 times 1080 and 30 frames per second setting here. Recording. And setting here, you want to have the output in relatively, like in setting here, you want to have the output and recording relatively high quality, like large file, but not lossless. Okay. And once you're in here, so you already pre-recorded your video, so it will be a media source. I just put sermon here. Okay, and they ask you to choose file, browse, and I'll just use the last week's file, footage, sermon. Okay, and the sermon is here. And here you want to add a second scene. Scene 2 here. Scene 2 here, you want to add your pre-recorded video sermon as well as your PowerPoint. So on my right hand side in here. Okay, so I will add a screen capture or PowerPoint. Let's make it easier. I want to record the PowerPoint. Yes, right here. Okay, and you can see here that's PowerPoint. Okay, I'm gonna minimize and put a sermon on the top and put the sermon window to a bit smaller like that. And you can see that I don't want any of the menu, I just want a PowerPoint. So just move up to the corner again. Yeah, something like that. Okay, so once you've done that, you're ready to set for your PowerPoint. So ready to set for your video to and export that too. So you gotta do in a live mix at the same time. Okay, so you just play. I think just starting, click play, start recording here. Start recording here. Come to here. Put it. I cannot hear what he's talking about. See, so when you talk about a PowerPoint, you can toggle between. Talk about and you mention PowerPoint, just come to here. Okay, and once you finish your recording, you just click stop recording. Okay, hope that videos help. Let me know when you're stuck, and thanks for watching.